If you want to make your workflow in ClickUp not only more organized but visually easier to follow, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change your status colors in ClickUp, giving your tasks a vibrant makeover and making your process more personal and intuitive. Let's dive right in. First, start by heading up to your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your ClickUp dashboard. Now, sometimes in these busy dashboards, all the icons can blend together, but your profile icon usually has your initials or your photo. Just give that a quick click. This step is important because it opens up your personal settings, which is where all the customization tools live. Next, you'll want to select Settings from the drop-down menu. Settings is where all the nitty-gritty behind-the-scenes preferences are stashed, from notifications to integrations. We're headed there to tailor how you see and interact with your tasks day to day. Once you're inside Settings, find spaces in the sidebar or menu. Think of spaces like big folders or sections for different departments, clients, or projects you're managing in ClickUp. It's crucial you work in the right space because status colors are set per space, so if you work with multiple teams, you can give each their own look and feel. Now, inside your chosen space, look for the status option and give that a click. Statuses are those handy labels under tasks like to do, in progress, or complete. They represent each stage your tasks move through. Adjusting the colors here can make all the difference, especially when you want tasks at a certain stage to pop out, or maybe you just want a system that feels more you. Here, where the real customization happens. You'll see a list of statuses, so go ahead and click on the name of the status you want to change. Maybe it's to do, in progress, complete, or whatever custom steps you've set up for your workflow. Just click right on the name and a color picker will appear. Now there's a good reason you might want to update these status colors. For example, if everything is gray or similar shades, it gets hard to distinguish at a glance which tasks need attention. Maybe you want in progress to be a lively yellow to catch your eye or complete to be a satisfying green so you get that sense of accomplishment. Take a moment here to choose the color that feels right to you. If you're indecisive, don't worry, you can always come back and change it later. Once you've picked your desired color, simply confirm your selection and the change will save automatically. That's it. Your status now stands out and your entire workflow just got a bit brighter and easier to scan. And honestly, that's all there is to it, but don't underestimate how much these subtle visual cues can improve your productivity and morale. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, it's satisfying to have your workspace look and feel the way you want. If this tutorial helped you customize your ClickUp workflow, let me know with a like. If you've got questions, suggestions, or want to share your own status color ideas, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And for more practical ClickUp tips and tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching and enjoy your colorful new workflow.